Welcome back to another outdoor family travel review. Today we're looking at the family Harbour suite on the Carnival Panorama. There are some special amenities that you get for staying in the family Harbour suite. One of them is access to the family Harbour lounge, and then kids 11 and under eat free at some of the specialty restaurants. You also get priority boarding when you're getting on and off the ship, even ahead of the Diamond members. And then you also get priority water shuttles. You also get 2 free water bottles, as well as 1 free bag of laundry that's done for you. This is room 2417 on the Carnival Panorama. This is a family Harbour suite. In here is a nice big family couch area with a little TV. This couch turns into a bed, and then up here in the roof, a bed will come down. And then over here in this area is the other beds. Now, for some reason they have to set it up this way, but they said once you get into your room, you can change the beds however you want. So if you have like a married couple, you can push the beds together or whatever. There's a privacy curtain here. That's kind of cool. There. And then over here, there's a makeup mirror, and then here the plugs and 2 USBs. Another TV here in the other room, and then a little tiny fridge here. Lots of storage. A dryer and some extra masks. That's nice. These little bedside tables. No USBs here. Just a little tiny, you can't really see that little space in there. And then this is nice, a nice big room. Here is the bathtub and a sink. And then temperature control. And this room has a toilet and a shower. And another sink. So that's super nice. This is a little bigger than the normal size room. Bathroom. Now down here is a big closet with a full-length mirror over on this side. It's kind of squishy to get in here though. I mean, I don't think you could fit 2 people at the same time. Lots of shelves. Double wide. And here, some more shelves, safe, and a couple of 3 drawers. And then back here is like the hanging portion of the closet. So it's quite large compared to some of them. And then let's take a look out on the balcony. Quite large. It's 4 chairs instead of 2 on the standard size balcony. We are on floor 2, so there is the view. Okay, this is what the beds look like set up. So that's 1, 2 out of the couch, and then of course that third one up there. And then now, because because we pushed the beds together, they've made our bed into 1 bed. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is this curtain. So you can cut off this whole section completely where the kids sleep with a curtain. So it's kind of hard to see. It's like, let's see if I can see it from the other side. Hold on a second. There we go. So a little privacy.